Evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday March the 11th 2024. No, told you earlier, in today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition Saturday Sunday March the 9th and the 10th 2024. And I've already solved in this additional two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8173. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Alright. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box and there a single box. Always a 1. Alright. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box and there dual box contains the, and here dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be 2. So that box should be 2 and this box should be a 1. Here also 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And these two boxes, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Let me see. Here we have a triple box. The 2 is already given, so those two boxes should be 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? Let me check for the quadra boxes here. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following step. Following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Well. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one rotated. This box has the same name as that box. More? No. No. Correction here. Another one. There. Another one. This box has the same name as that box. And here another one. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. That box has the same name as this box. Alright. The T shape. Only one T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Here another L shape upside down. This box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be as well 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Alright. And now I think this box should be a 5. Because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. And this one is also connected with this box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, let me mark those 1 and 4, is also connected with that box, will be so 1 and 4. But it can't be a 1 anymore, and we have a 1 here. So it should be a 4, is connected with that box, will be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, oh no. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, that's a record. Under the 10 minutes. Well. We solved it again. 1 star. Let me give this a 0 stars. Yeah. For 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Well, we solve this in 9 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all over by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku, all kind of puzzles, Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.